Hey guys, welcome to CJ Vlogs. This is Chirag, and let's talk about the drone policy that has been just announced by DGCA. These are the 13 questions that you have to know about the new regulations that will come into effect very soon. But before we talk about that, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Go on, I'm waiting for you to click that button. Nice. Now let's start today's video.
What we do here is go back.
The first thing that you want to know is that the regulations will come into effect on 1st of December 2018. The next thing you want to know is that the drone regulations categorize drones on the basis of maximum up all in weight, including payload. That is the weight of your drone once it's up in the air. And based on that, 5 categories are there: nano, micro, small, medium and large. The nano category consists of drones that weigh less than 250 grams, including the payload. The micro category is from 250 grams to 2 kilograms. The small category is from 2 kilograms to 25 kilograms. The medium category is from 25 kilograms to 150 kilograms, and large category of drones is from 150 kilograms up and above. DGCA was kind enough to give exemption to nano category of drones because it knew that nobody wants to fly those kind of drones. I mean, for example, only DJI Tello qualifies as a nano category drone. Rest all its drone, including Spark, falls into micro category, which requires a registration as well as an operator permit. Also, if you want to fly a drone in micro category or above, you need to have its permit, and the permit costs around 25,000 rupees in India, and the renewal of the same will be around 10,000 rupees. The drone operator permit is valid for only 5 years and is renewed after that. Every drone category from micro and above requires an ETA, equipment type approval, that has to be there. Either you have to obtain it yourself, or if you are purchasing it from India, you can ask the drone manufacturer to provide that approval to you from DGCA. Another thing that has to be there is UIN. Think of it as a registration number for your car, but it's only applicable to the drones. So once you get an ETA, you have to apply and obtain a UIN, that is a unique identification number. Once you get that, you have to engrave it in a metal fireproof resistant plate and then affix it on your drones at all times of its operations. One thing you should keep in mind that you should not buy any drones between now and December 1st, 2018 in India, because if you do so, the manufacturer or the seller is under no obligation to provide you equipment type approval, which is needed for applying for unique identification number under the drone regulations 2018. So wait till 1st December 2018, or if you can't wait, get a very good deal out of the seller before you buy any drone in India, because once you purchase that drone, obtaining equipment type approval is your headache. The seller or the manufacturer will not help you. Without that, you will not be able to apply for UIN, and without which you cannot fly your drone legally in India. Other thing that you have to know is that you are not allowed to fly a drone in night in India. No matter what, it's blanketly banned. If you are a foreign national, you cannot fly your drone while you are visiting India. If you want to, you'll have to lease it to an Indian entity which will obtain ETA on your behalf and apply for UIN. Once granted, only then can he fly it on your behalf in India. Breach of any of the regulations that have been specified under the new drone policy shall be punishable under the Aircraft Act and various sections of the IPC like 286, 336, 337 and 338. And mind you, the imprisonment in these sections range from anywhere between 3 months to 2 years. So we are looking at a very stricter regime for a common man. but not harsh enough punishments for a real bad element for which supposedly this drone policy is put into place. Another thing a lot of people want to know is what is the format of applying for ETA, UIN, etc. Well, you'll be glad to note that I have linked all of that information in the description box below. You just have to click on the link and then will open up different forms for ETA and UIN, and then you can take out a printout and apply once the drone policy comes into effect after 1st of December 2018. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Every like matters for a small channel like me. Do hit subscribe button if you find this information useful and are still watching this video. And I hope to see you next time on my channel. This is Chirag, you're watching CJ Vlogs, and I'm signing out.